Hello everyone, it is week 2 of the van build and we are on our way up there to commence work. So let's go! So we're up at the van, week 2, and Bradley finally got the fan in, yay! But yeah, let's take a look at it. Yeah, so today we're gonna focus on flooring. Well, this week, I don't know how long it'll take. Talk us through it.
Today, we'll get it done today.
Okay, we're gonna get our flooring done today.
It took 6 days. Yeah, so it's we have this 25mm thick Celotex. But first of all, we have to take this wood, which is 25mm deep by 33 wide, and we'll batten it out along the floor, create some sections.
And then put this in.
Then this will go in the gaps in between.
Right.
And then to cover it all up nicely, we have 9mm thick plywood, which will fasten down on top. See?
Yeah.
Nice flat.
This makes us sound like we know what we're doing, which maybe we kind of do. Alright, let's go. So now we've got the jigsaw and everything set up to start making measurements and cutting all this to size. But first things first, watching a video. Jamie doing intricate work. Good morning. So today we are continuing on with putting the battens down and getting the floor done. Tried to do it yesterday, didn't happen, so we're continuing today. Okay, so because our floor is so specific, whenever we're cutting out pieces for it here, we actually have to mark the little ridges and make it a specific cut, which in itself is just extra work, and yeah, but it's gonna turn out good, right, Brad?
It's gonna be good.
Finally, Kaz is in the video.
Oh yeah, I'm never actually on camera.
Doing some work.
I do work. It's like crazy warm. So yeah, so we're finishing off the flooring and then we're going to explain the theory behind concept of the flooring that we've done, and then we gotta head out and get some more supplies, and I think I'll take you with me. Alright, so we're almost done with these, but we have made a box which everyone is quite proud of. It did. But yeah, so this whole chair is now boxed in. Yay! Good morning everyone. So today I am going to fit the Celotex, cut it to size, and Brad is going to sort out our bench. So some quick updates. I got my hair caught in the drill and kind of burnt. And in other news, we have built our bench. Well, we have started constructing the bench.
A bit of wood to put on the bag as well. That is not going anywhere.
Okay, so the idea behind this bench and these chairs that I've shown you with the boxer on them is that eventually there's a table going to be here, and eventually this will all form some sort of double bed. Yeah, but actually I'm quite impressed by Bradley's, you know, smartness at coming up with this little design, so let's see. Show you the final product. We have completed the Celotex, which is looking mighty clean. Very pleased. So Celotex done, box around here, and our bench has started. Yay! Hello everyone, so it's the final day of week 2 van build, and we're going to put down the wood flooring today and box off the wheel arches. Alrighty, so we have boxes galore now. So these are the wheel arches, which have been beautifully boxed out by Bradley. And now we're gonna sweep it out and cut the wood to put on the bloody floor. We are almost finished. So we've put in the floor in here. We've just got to slot in one more piece at the back there, and then we are finally finished. And I think that means week 2 is complete.
Done.
So thanks for tuning in this week, and if you want to continue on with our van build adventures, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, and yeah, we'll see you next week.